Yeah, so I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and today I'm not sharing my face. Yeah, so I just want to go straight to the point because tomorrow I have arbitrage masterclass and I'm doing some preparation. But quick one, I have to do this arbitrage, these things that is working right now. Yeah, on the black market platform. Yeah, so you see, a lot of people are cloning some platform to scam people. Yeah, and one thing about this black market platform is that it's a black market platform. So we have strategies that you have to do in order not to be behind. If I say be behind, like you have to understand. Yeah, because every business there is risk. You see that thing? Yeah. So on this black market platform, if you open it and it's a new one, first of all you have to do your 2FA and pass your KYC. You have to do everything so that you will not end up losing your money. Yeah. So you have to do all these things. Yeah. So after it, you see on the black market platform, let me go back. You can see that popular assets right now, Bitcoin over there is 107. And if I go to Binance, I will show you everything. But today, how to hammer on it right now, there are some popular coins that are doing well on the black market platform, but we have strategies that you have to utilize so that you will not leave behind, because that platform are purposely made for, let's say, dark trading. Is that thing? Yeah, so they have rules and regulations as well. Yeah, so if I come to the popular asset, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, SRP. So let me take Bitcoin, SRP, and Solana for instance. So Solana is 195 and Bitcoin is 107 on the black market platform. So let me go to my Binance platform. So if I come to my Binance, you'll see that over here Bitcoin is 98,256 and Solana is 174 and XRP is 2.6. So it means that if I'm doing a trade over here, I'm making profits. So in this case, this is how you do it. You buy your Solana from Binance or Bybit and come and sell it over here. And some people were saying that Solana, you can't buy Solana with blah blah. You can't buy Solana with BP20 and stuff. If you go to Binance, you can see that you can buy Solana with BP20. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah. So all you have to do is what? You go to your markets. So you see that we have markets over here. Yeah. Then you go to the market and you see all the coins. And if you want to buy the coins, you just click on it. And you come down here, you see that we have buy and sell. You see, so over here the buying rate is 108 right now. You see, yeah, so you can enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 900 and 1,000. So 1,000, I'll be getting this BTC. So if I want to sell, in this case we will sell it over here. So selling, you click here. Let's say I want to sell 1,000 USDT. So if I say I want to sell the 1,000, this is the BTC I want to sell, and this is the money I will get afterwards selling the BTC. So this is how it is. Then you initiate the sell. You see, there's not enough fun. Yeah. So because I've like me every day I trade 2 to 3 times a day, and there is a reason why I do the 2 to 3 times a day. Though people can do more than 3 times, 5 times, but don't be greedy. Yeah. So this is how you do your arbitrage trading. Yeah, and you can also use XRP as well. If you come here, the XRP is 2.9 over here. So if I go to my Binance wallet, you see that the SRP over here is 2.6. So I can buy the SRP over here and go and sell it over here at 2.9. Yeah, I've written it. Yeah, so this is how you make money using arbitrage. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget